Welcome back to the podcast where we learn real English you can actually use every day.
And today, we're talking about something we all do, saying thank you too much.
Exactly. Saying thank you is polite, of course, but native speakers have many other ways to express gratitude or appreciation.
Using alternatives makes your English sound more natural, friendly, and fluent, especially in casual conversations.
The first alternative is very simple. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much.
You can use these in informal and formal situations.
Example, friend hands you a coffee. Thanks so much. Colleague helps with a project. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
It's a small change from just thank you, but it feels warmer and more natural.
Another great option is, I really appreciate it.
Yes, this is a little more formal or thoughtful.
For example, your boss gives you helpful advice. I really appreciate it. A friend supports you during a hard time. I really appreciate it.
It's natural in professional and personal situations.
Here's a more formal and old-school alternative. Much obliged.
You'll hear this sometimes in British English or more formal settings.
For example, someone opens the door for you politely. Much obliged.
It sounds polite and classic, but don't overuse it in casual conversations.
For casual, friendly English, try thanks a million or thanks a bunch.
Example, your friend sends you a funny meme. Thanks a bunch. Someone gives you a small gift. Thanks a million.
These sound excited and expressive, much better than repeating plain thank you.
Let's try some practice together. Repeat after us. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. Much obliged. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.
Try saying them with energy and a smile, just like a native speaker.
Mini conversation. Here's a short conversation to practice naturally. Friend, I brought your favorite snack. You, thanks a million. Friend, no problem. You, I really appreciate it. Friend, you're welcome.
Notice how using different phrases feels more expressive than repeating thank you all the time.
Bonus alternatives. Here are some more ways to say thank you in English. I owe you one. Thanks heaps. I'm grateful. Thanks tons.
For example, I owe you one for helping me move yesterday. I'm grateful for your support. Thanks heaps for the advice. Using these keeps your English varied and natural instead of just saying thank you all the time.
Quick review. So today we learned several alternatives to saying thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. Much obliged. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch. I owe you one. I'm grateful. Thanks heaps.
Remember, using different phrases makes your English sound more fluent and expressive.
Try using these alternatives in your daily conversations, both casual and professional.
Next time someone does something nice, don't just say thank you. Pick a phrase that matches the situation and feels natural.
Thanks for listening. And remember, small changes like this make your English sound confident, natural, and native-like.
See you next episode, where we'll cover more common English mistakes and fun alternatives. Welcome back. If you listened to part 1, we learned several alternatives to saying thank you, from thanks a lot to I really appreciate it.
Yes, now we're going to show you fun, casual, and creative ways to say thanks, so your English sounds natural and expressive in daily life.
Let's look at some situations where people say thank you too much.
Right. For example, your friend hands you a pen and you say, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Or someone opens the door for you and you say it 5 times.
Native speakers wouldn't repeat thank you like that. They'd use different expressions depending on the situation.
Exactly. Let's see some fun alternatives. Friend hands you a snack. You're a lifesaver. Colleague helps with a project. I owe you one. Someone gives advice. Much appreciated.
Here are some more casual alternatives. Thanks heaps. Thanks tons. Big thanks. You rock.
Example conversation. Friend, I grabbed your coffee. You rock. Thanks heaps.
See? Using these phrases feels more expressive than just saying thank you.
Time to practice. Repeat after us. You're a lifesaver. I owe you one. Much appreciated. Thanks heaps. You rock.
Say them with energy and emotion, just like you would with a friend.
Not all alternatives are casual. Some are perfect for professional situations.
Yes, try these. I truly appreciate your help. I'm grateful for your support. Your assistance is greatly appreciated.
Example at work. Colleague, I finished the report for you. You, I truly appreciate your help. That was fantastic.
Professional, polite, and natural.
Let's practice a short conversation. Friend, I sent you the notes for your presentation. You, much appreciated. You're a lifesaver. Friend, no problem. You, I really appreciate it. Friend, you're welcome.
Notice how we mix formal and casual alternatives, which makes your English sound confident and fluent.
Quick tips to sound natural. Here are 3 tips for using thank you alternatives naturally. Match the phrase to the situation. Casual for friends, formal for work. Mix it up. Don't repeat the same phrase all the time. Add emotion or personality. Phrases like, you rock, feel lively.
Yes, using these tips keeps your English varied, expressive, and native-like.
Now, let's give you some practice sentences. Repeat them out loud. Thanks a bunch for helping me move. I owe you one for covering my shift. Much appreciated for your advice. You're a lifesaver for bringing the snacks. Thanks heaps for checking my work.
Try saying them with energy, as if you really mean it. This helps you remember the phrases naturally.
So today, we learned many alternatives to saying thank you, from casual expressions like you rock to formal ones like I truly appreciate your help.
Remember, small changes like this make your English sound fluent, natural, and expressive.
Practice these phrases every day, and you'll notice your conversations become more interesting and native-like.
Thanks for listening, and remember, small changes like this make your English sound confident, natural, and native-like.